Parts to the mattress assist: top plate, bottom plate, 2 long struts, 2 short struts, 2 long spring spacers, 2 short spring spacers, spring, torsion bar and nut, 4 washers, 1 spacer, 1 long spring pull bar, 1 short spring pull bar, 2 rotary clips, pads, and stickers, including an arrow sticker and the product sticker. Modifications to existing molds include a 6mm gap placed in the base plate, marked as orange on both the models sent. Modification to the mold also includes thickening spring spacers long, thickening spring spacers short, marked as purple on demo model sent. Assembly. Assembly starts with, we start with stickers. Stickers get placed between the 4 corners of the inside notches, which centers it on the top plate, like so. Stickers need to be set. Arrow sticker needs to be set here, facing that direction, away from these ears. That's the front of the unit. This would be the back of the unit. Arrow sticker points to the front of the unit. Date of manufacturer sticker. This is actually needs to be over here. And then we have stickers. We have pad stickers to stick on the unit. Pads go back. Side. Front. And on the side. Assembly on the front, on the top plate. Your 2 long, short struts, 2 long struts, torsion, bolt, washers, spacer. Spacer goes in first. Short struts, it has a flat side and an indented side. Flat side goes into the ear. And then the long strut, the bus part of the long strut faces out. This side faces out that direction. To assemble, that through the long, washer, short strut, washer, insert into the ear. Oops. Redo that one. Insert in the ear. Through. Washer. Flat side to the ear. Washer. Bend the ear. Bend the top plate just a little bit. Get that. Nut, no washer. torque it 0.5 Newton-pounds. Assemble short spring pull, short spring spacers, rotary clip. Assemble unit at the base, spring, long spring pull, long spring spacers, to test, separate the spring spacers, place the spring in the center, push down, unit should not stick.